Welcome to Click Academic. This is lesson 8 on the series of set, theory, and logic. So today in this lesson we will be discussing on argument. Now when we say argument is any form or structure composed only a statement forms such as all its substitution instant will be argument. You see that basically it is an array of symbols with only statement variable and not actual statement. So now I wrote one example here to see and to compare with the definition. Remember we say it's a form or structure composed only of a statement forms. Now when we look at this example, we say example 1, if this figure is a triangle, then the sum of these three triangles is 180. You see this is a statement itself, it's a compound statement. Then we have 2, the figure is a triangle, which is also another statement. Then we have therefore the sum of this triangle of three triangles is 180. If you take all the three questions, you know that they are all talking about one aspect. What? Triangle, triangle, triangle. Meaning we are trying to build the statement based on triangle that has this form of structure. First question, the number 1 is structure 1, number 2 is structure 2, structure 3, right? So now to represent this, as we say, basically in the form of symbols, we can say, okay, now solution, let, if and then are what? They are connectives, right? So we are going to use our former or our previous knowledge to apply it in here. We say this figure is a triangle, meaning let P, because what? This figure is a triangle. It's a triangle. Then Q. After then, what happened? The sum of these three triangles is 180. The sum of its three angles is what? 180 degrees. And then we have, now say the figure is a triangle. You see this second statement is something as what? P. So we need for us to write it again. Now it's okay, therefore the sum of its three triangles is 180. Still the same thing as this. So now how can we represent this symbolically? Now it's okay, statement 1 said if P, because P is this figure is triangle, is if P, what happened to, we have then, meaning is what? It's implicative to what? Q. This is statement 1, which is this number 1. Then number 2, you now see the figure is a what? Triangle. This figure is a what? Triangle, meaning P is 2. Then you now see number 3 is what? Therefore, we normally write therefore in this form or in this form in terms of argument. Which one, whatever you did is correct. The sum of three triangles is 180, which is therefore what? Q. Now this is a way that we are going to form this given argument into these symbol figures. So therefore, this is all what you call about argument. So under argument, we have two types of argument. We have valid argument and invalid argument. In our next lesson, we'll see how we combat it with the valid argument and invalid argument. Thank you very much.